How you doing?
Good, ma'am.
Good. You have any ID on you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You have any ID? Just tell me. Just tell me your name.
Matthew Fowler, ma'am.
Get your hands in your pocket. What's your name?
Matthew Fowler, ma'am.
Fowler.
Fowler. M-A-T-T-H-E-W. It's right
Fowler.
here, ma'am.
It's all right. I don't need you. Yeah, you're good. I don't need you to grab for anything.
Shield me there, man. What's going on? How are you? Good. Good.
Just put your hands on your head for me.
I gotta put my
hands on your head.
Hold on. All right, man. Let me get off my head.
He's got a gun. He's got a gun.
Let me go. Let me go. You better let me go. Let go.
No, 10 more units. 10 more shots fired. Shots fired.